Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to block people that call you with an anonymous number or with an anonymous call without showing their own number. I think that's pretty annoying. I don't like people who just call me and I don't see the number or the person who is calling, and I just see anonymous. Here in Europe, for commercial companies, it's forbidden to call like that, but some companies just don't care, so they just call me with an anonymous number or an anonymous call. But we can block these kind of people. So to block them, I just click on my phone symbol on my Huawei P50 Pro, and then the top right I click on this button and then I click on blocked. And when I am here in my blocked, I can click on call block rules. And when I am here, you can change 3 different options. Block all incoming calls. Trustless numbers won't be blocked. So trustless numbers, you can just put in people in your trustless number and all other people will be blocked if I just turn it on. Block unknown number, that's what we want to do. Block unknown numbers, okay. Somebody calls me, I don't know what he has done. He has blocked his own number, so I don't see it. Okay, now he won't reach out to me, and my Huawei P50 Pro won't tell me, hey, somebody is calling. So pretty cool. And block private withheld numbers. Okay, private also, I will block these also. So now I am secure from any commercial companies or any other stupid people who don't want to show their number. So everything's fine. I'm fine now. I hope you are also fine now and I helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.